Before you start, make sure you smash the subscribe button. Click the bell icon to be notified for every video. We upload 2 times a day. Namaste.
We're heading to the north coast.
Yes. Estamos a ir para o norte, noroeste.
To the beach. And look what we found here. We found plantain. We could never even think. It's our savior because before we came I made the cream with plantain and calendula, and we just picked some more to make some coconut oil infused with it. It's an amazing plant. It has lots of healing properties.
Mosquito bites,
it heals
rashes,
mosquito bites,
whatever.
yes, and also
Burn.
burns, small cuts. It's very good for burns after the sun.
And to use after cutting the hair of the facial
Yes.
hair, you put this and it's a miracle.
Supreme.
It's like an aftershave.
To find it here in the tropics, I never expect.
And now we transfer to Bulgaria. So we are in Europe, if you have no idea where Bulgaria is. And what do we find? We have plantain again. Apparently plantain is considered like a wheat plant, and it grows all over the world. But the fact is that it's super medicinal and it's very, very, very useful. There are 2 types of plantain, with the broad leaf, which is more preferred by for medicinal purposes, and this is the narrow leaf type. As we already mentioned in the previous part of the video, it can be used for insect bites, for burns, for small cuts and wounds, but also it has amazing properties to help extract mucus from the lungs and in the respiratory tract generally. So you will very often find it as a main ingredient in many of the cough syrups that they sell, but you can make your own. You can use plantain in tincture, as a salve, a tea infusion, or just to make a patch of a few crushed fresh leaves, and then you apply directly. You can use this method to apply directly on burns, on some cuts and wounds. Tincture you can apply directly under the tongue if you need to take it internally. When you have a cold or coughs, it will help take this mucus out. And as well, you can drink it as tea. The leaves are also edible, but I would recommend you the very small leaves of the broad type, because the older the plant becomes, they become very tough and rough and they're not very tasty, but you can still cook these. They are very rich in calcium and vitamin K, which ultimately actually helps to stop any bleeding, and it's excellent for the gums and the teeth. It's actually a very, very essential vitamin that we need for the teeth health. As a salve, you can watch actually our video how to make your own herbal oil infusions, and you can make your own salve using plantain leaves in olive oil or coconut oil. It can be used even in smaller amounts for baby diaper rashes. It's very gentle to the skin, and it doesn't usually provoke allergies. It's a wonderful plant to use for any age, but of course, whenever you want to use it, always make sure you're not allergic to it. And that's all for plantain for now. I hope this video was useful. Make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time!